Hello folks, I'm going to do a TOOLY Tuesday right here, and we're going to look down. And it's probably not going to be the most exciting video, but I'm going to show you this anyway, because I just like tools. So here, stay tuned. Let's see if I can bend this down here without screwing this up. Today's video, if I don't drop the camera on the floor here, is, come on, get down there. Get in there. It's basically a crescent wrench video. I like my old crescent wrenches, and I have a whole bunch here. I have a crescent brand wrench here. This one doesn't work too well. What else we got? I have another Crestalloy. This one doesn't work at all, of course. I have a no-name Yobber Jobber. Not bad. It works. I have a BNC crescent wrench, aka the adjustable wrench. These I've actually used in a couple of videos. As you can see, it's pretty cool. What else? I have a one that I heated up with a torch. I can't seem to undo. It's Utica Tools. If you can see that, Utica Tools. I've heated up with heat. I threw it in vapor rust and it still doesn't work. I also have a crescent tool. Every time I see a crescent wrench, I pick up a crescent wrench. See, there's our crescent wrench. I have one right here. It's interesting. You're going to want to know. This is the one I already showed you. This is the crescent wrench. This one. Yeah, this one doesn't work too well. This one's similar size. Yeah. Almost. A little bit. About the same. This is a unknown jobbly one. This is a Utica Tools. I don't know if I just showed you this one. Utica Tools crescent wrench. They call it adjustable wrench. This is a teensy weensy crescent wrench. I think I just showed you that already. What else we got here? We have another teensy weensy, not so great one. This is an actual crescent wrench. What else we got? We have a forged, made in China, Chinesium one, which is exciting. Let me move this out of the way here. We also have a dreadnought. Anybody ever hear of a dreadnought? 10-inch dreadnought. Yeah. Let me read the label here. This one actually works. Nope. It doesn't work. That one too. Lots of videos coming. This one is a drop forge made in USA crescent tool. If I see these things for $2-3, I pick them up because yeah, this one works. This one does the job. This BNC one, 6-inch, I think I showed you. This is a modern crescent wrench. It actually works. Picked it up at Tractor Supply. I had to get it back to my son. You know, 3-year-olds love stuff like this. 3-year-olds love this tiny thing. So I'll put that over here. I've got a Fuller. You know, Fuller brand little Fuller wrench. This one works pretty good. It works. It works. Got myself a adjustable Pexto. I had to buy this. This is a Pexto and Wilcox. This is a Pexto wrench. I like how I don't know, maybe I'm just dreaming here, but it seems like the bottom part on these older ones seem bigger, but I could be wrong. They seem like they have a different type of curve on it, where these new ones kind of go straight out. This is a forged steel, what is this? Canada Matrix one that I don't know where it came from. There's a Pittsburgh. We all know this is from Horror Freight, and the sloppiness in the Horror Freight one is just absolutely unreal. Here's a Craftsman. This is probably a If I remember correctly, I bought this in the 90s or 2000s. Craftsman. Wait, wrong way. There's that. And there's the Craftsman logo. I also got a diamond tool. Let's see, it goes this way. Diamond tool wrench. This one works good. See these little ends here? Where's the other one I had? Where's the pexel I just had? Where'd it go? See the difference in the little beaks on there? This one has a bigger beak than this one. This part is the beak. I call it the beak. But this one's got a little fat beak and this one's got a little thin beak. So I don't know if that makes a difference. But there's that. I also have what is this? Rona. Oh, Rona brand. Forged alloy. Even this one's made nicer than the Harbor Freight. I also got a Better Grip made in USA. Huge one, giant one. Giant one. I have a 24-inch one way on the wall over there. I also have buried under here, which I was told. This is a Barrel Co. beryllium wrench, made in USA. I was told it's not toxic to the hands, but if I sand this down and get it on me, it's made of beryllium. Beryllium is, what's it called? It causes berylliosis or something. This is a non-sparking beryllium wrench. Yeah, apparently these are really toxic. So, the only reason why I bought this is because it was smooth. These ones are all, got bumps. This beryllium wrench is really nice. It's got a really nice finish. And now I know, don't even polish it. Don't even attempt to polish this. Don't attempt to sand it. Don't attempt anything. Just leave it as is. Because we're going to get willy-nilly, whatever it is. That is the, pretty much, oh, and also, if you watch my tool haul video, I know I got about 12 more of these in the box over there, which I didn't really want. But you know what? Hey, you get what you get, right? So anyway, that's my tool. Let me go over here. Let me stop this and I'll show you the last one. Wait, stay here.